Hi, I'm Dave Balkan. I'm the owner of Balkan Sewer and Water Main Service. We're in New York City sewer and water main contractors. And I want to take a couple of minutes to explain to you out there, when you have sewer work done, what fittings are legal and proper and which are not. Typically, when a sewer repair is done, you're transitioning from a different size pipe or from a different material, and you need to use approved fittings. For instance, the outside diameter of clay pipe is different than the outside diameter of cast iron pipe, even though the inside diameter is exactly the same. Now, see this fitting here? This substantial aluminum looking clamp? It's not legal in New York City. You're not allowed to use clamps to join house sewer pipe together. That's a for instance of why knowledge is important. Now this fitting here, this extra heavy cast iron fitting, which is a heavy fitting, this is perfectly legal and the appropriate fitting to use to transition from 6-inch clay, which has a larger outside diameter, and then this side would accept the hub for 6-inch extra heavy cast iron. This is another very common fitting that's used. This is an extra heavy cast iron 6x4 reducer. This would allow you to transition from 4-inch pipe that usually comes out from your house to the 6-inch pipe at the point it transitions. In New York City, that's usually the property line. This fitting is not so common because this is an 8x6 reducer. So it's usually the only time you're going to find 8-inch pipe in New York City is in Manhattan, the larger buildings, and there's a code requirement that house sewers in Manhattan are 8-inch. The other fittings that are used in repairs and relays are bends. This, for instance, is an 1/8 bend, a 1/8 bend, which translates into a 45-degree bend. This is the maximum size bend that you can use when you have to have a change in direction in a house sewer line. The other bend is a 22.5-degree bend. We call that a 16th bend. Quarter bends and sweeps are not legal to use in a house sewer line in New York City because it's too extreme of a turn. Okay? So I hope that helps you out there. I hope that's useful information. Thank you very much for listening.